Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an absolutely beautiful example we have here. This is the Audi A4 Avant. It's a 2-litre TDI ULTRA SE Technique. 163 brake horsepower and this absolutely gorgeous scuba blue metallic one owner car with £1,815 worth of factory fitted upgrades. The car is absolutely beautiful. Great features all the way around. Beautiful colour, just when the sun catches it, it is absolutely gorgeous. Totally cherished from new, full service history, including the all important cambelt change. Just check out the full detailed service history in the description. They really are fantastic specification. Let's show you around. Electric tailgate, great size boot on it. You've got the load liner. The last owner even put rubber mats over the carpet mats. Net partition, rear luggage cover. It's got the boot liner as well. Totally unmarked, beautiful inside. Spare wheel under there, factory detachable tow bar as well. Beautiful all the way around. I love the colour, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. No nasty dents, scratches or dings anywhere. Really has been very well looked after. Chrome roof rails. A very versatile vehicle. We've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated. There was no damage. It was just, anybody looking at these Audis will know they start getting damage under the lacquer. Fitted with Goodyear M&S tyres all the way around, which are virtually brand new. Front parking sensors. Front fog lights. I love this interior, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Two-tone interior with a beautiful ash effect. It really does set the car off nicely. This light grey leather is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of legroom in there. All the leather totally unmarked. Non-smoker's car. Just beautiful all the way around. As I mentioned, it's got the carpets and the rubber mats just to protect it inside. So it tells you something about the last owner, how they've kept it. Again, all the trims everywhere, totally unmarked. Plenty of storage in the door pockets, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the optional folding mirrors too. It's got the electric lumbar support, which was an option too. And again, just look at those seats. Give you a close up, you can almost smell the leather. Just fabulous. Centre armrest. Lots of storage in there, cup holders. Again, the wood trim goes across the dashboard as well, all in great condition. Leather multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers. DAB radio. Great stereo system on it. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connection, CD player. All nice and easy to control. All scalable. Nice clear layout. Multimedia, SD cards, front and rear parking sensors with a parking aid, visual showing exactly the position of the car, dual zone climate control and the optional heated seats as well, which is a great touch. 6-speed manual gearbox. The mileage of just 42,231, that's all, 42,231, full Audi service history, cambelt change. It really is amazing how the customers looked after this car. You've also got the display on in front of the dashboard as well as on the main menu. So it shows you the stereos, the sat nav, all straight in front of you. Bluetooth connection. Got voice activation as well, great feature. Ask it to choose your destination or radio or to dial somebody. Just a great feature. And the folding mirrors. Cruise control. All the menu for the vehicle. So you can just set the destination either fast, avoiding motorways, with motorways. All very simple and clear. You can even get the radio just nice, so subwoofer, the bass, for that perfect listening. Again, just showing you in front of you the full satellite navigation, directional. What a great example. Audi claim 59.9 miles per gallon combined. Incredible. 2-litre TDI, 163 brake horsepower, one owner car. with full Audi service history. So if you want this rare car, you know what to do. Please give us a call. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. You can click and collect this vehicle from us or ask about home delivery. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time and time again. We make buying and selling cars a very simple, hassle-free, easy process. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. No pressure sales. Nice and easy way to buy your used car. We're here to help you. Give us a call on 01782 822 700. The number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.